How to create your own league on FPL. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can easily create your own league on Fantasy Premier League. First thing you're going to have to do is simply open up the Premier League application. And once you open up the app, just make sure to log into your account. Once logged in, head over to the Fantasy tab at the bottom of your screen. And once you are here, you can just scroll down a bit until you find Leagues and Cups. Tap on Configure Leagues. You'll be taken to a next page where you have an option to create your own league. Now tap on this plus button where it says create and join new leagues and cups, and then tap on this option, create a new league and cup. Once you tap on it, select what kind of league you want to create, whether it's a classic scoring or a head-to-head scoring. I'm going to go with the classic scoring. Here, name your league. And then once you have done that, you can just go ahead and select your scoring starts. So select when your scoring is going to start. So let's just start with game week 1 and then tap on create. Once you tap on create, your league is now created. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and invite players to your league. Now tap on the settings icon on your league. And then from there, you can just go ahead and add players or invite players from the top of your screen. Or you could just copy the code as well, and players can paste this code and directly join your league. Tap on invite players and then copy a link or copy auto join link, and you should be able to invite players. So let me just go ahead and open up my WhatsApp here to invite friends. I'll just go here and paste the league here. Tap on send, and if they tap on the link, they should be able to join the league. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.